Hi kids, it's Miss Debbie at Fountaindale Library. You know what they say, April showers bring May flowers, and we're here today so I can help you put together this great little flower basket kit that I have for you at the library. This is our bonus craft of the month, and let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with showing you what's going to be in the kit that you bring home from the library. First, you're going to have a 12 by 12 piece of paper. The colors will vary per kit. And you're going to have a little goodie bag with flowers in it. And other pieces, you're going to have some foam pieces like this, and some large flowers, and some small flowers, and maybe some silk flowers. So it's just going to be kind of potluck. Whatever you get, you're going to be able to use and create with. So I hope you have some fun things in your bag. We're going to give you some pipe cleaners here. They can be cut with a little wire cutter or with the scissors and stuff. They can be bent any way you want. And so you're going to have to kind of plan out your flowers because you only have so many of these and so many flowers. And then this is going to be our little cup. And what I've done here is I've put some holes in it so that we can put our stems in there. And then this is going to be our handle for our basket. And we're going to have some stickers to decorate our basket. And then the brads here are going to put the basket together. And then we're going to have a piece of tissue paper that's going to kind of fill up our basket and make it pretty. So what you might need is, you might need something sharp to make more holes in your cup. Like I said, I did it with the letter opener, but you can do it with a pen, you can do it with the tip of a scissors and stuff. So that will be that. And then you can put the flowers together either with a hole punch in the center and bring the stems up through it, or you can just tape them to the back. So hole punch, tape, whatever you got there. A little glue stick to kind of secure the sides of the basket would be helpful too. So I think that's everything that you might need and stuff, and you might not need all of it, but it just depends on how creative you want to be. So let's get going with the flowers. So there's two ways to work with the flowers. Now see, this one has a hole in the center. So you could just stick that stem up through the center like that and twist it around and put it there. So that would be one way to do it, okay? Another way to do it would be to, I'm going to cut this one in half. See how easy that is? The other way to do it would be to maybe put one of these silk flowers in the center, like this. Oops, and don't do it on top of your basket. Like that. And then you could tape it to the back of it. Like that. I'll have to put some more glue on that silk flower to make it stick. Let's do that. Right on there. There we go. So that's kind of like one of those would look like. Then we have our big flowers. And again, I like to give them a little bit of a center. So I would take some of that, find some more stuff in my goodie bag here. I got some more silk flowers. I kind of like the look of the silk flower in the middle of that, don't you? So I'm gonna for sure put a lot of glue on that one and put that in the center. And then I'm gonna use another one of these. I'll make this one a little bit longer maybe. And tape it onto the back like that. So that's another one. And then we have our little foam pieces too. So it'll be a surprise what you get in your thing, but you can, again, you can tape it onto the back like that and use it to stick in. Or you can even just decorate your flowers with them a little bit too. And you can always use markers and stuff too to decorate these big flowers and stuff and add a little dimension to them too. and make it your own. So I'm going to put a little tape on the back of that, or you can use your glue stick. I'm just going to add that to the flower. Look, it kind of sticks up a little bit like that. Kind of fun, huh? Okay, so then once you have figured out all your flowers, then you're going to go arrange them and stuff. So again, what you're going to have to do is stick them through the holes in the cup, and then under the bottom, you'll have to make sure they'll stand up kind of. And again, don't worry about too much of them flopping over, just kind of arrange them the way you want. And then, because that tissue paper at the end is going to kind of make them all come up right. So we're going to do this part. I'm just going to add some flowers in here all over the place. I made up some earlier ones too. Oh, this one's really cute. I'm just going to stick that one in here too. Okay, like that. So just put them all in there just any way you want, okay? And we're going to set that aside for a minute. And those are kind of all the different ways that you could put the flowers together. And I would keep your stems longer than shorter so that you can always trim them if you don't. All right, so let's get making our basket now, okay? So I would make sure, so the paper is scored, which means that there's lines in it that you can follow. I'll probably have to fold this a little bit to get it into a bag, so you might not have to do too much of this, but make sure that you crease everything really good before you start. It'll just make it easier for the basket to fold together. Okay, like that, okay. And then, so I like the look of, oh, wait a minute. I don't have the holes punched in this one. Just a second, do I bring one that I have holes punched? Oops. I'll be right back, kids. Sorry about that, kids. So when you get yours, you're going to have these little holes punched in here. That's what I had to do while we were away. And because that's where the brad's going to fit through to make our basket. So I like to have this outside, that middle flap be the outside piece. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the inside of that flap, just to kind of hold things together a little bit. So you don't want to push on it until you make sure you have all your holes lined up though, okay? So can you see that? I got this one kind of there, and then I've kind of got this one kind of there. And then I can kind of push on that glue a little bit, make sure it's flat as you come up like that. And push on that glue a little bit. And then put my brad through the center like that. And then you see how they work? You open them up in the center like that. And the other thing you can do before you open up that brad is you can put one side of your handle in there too. So I'm going to do that too. So again, you can have this all decorated, or you can decorate it carefully after you put it on there. You see how I had this one all decorated, okay? So again, put that piece in there and then open that up, okay? And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. We're going to put a little glue in here like that, just to kind of help us secure things. And we're going to put our holes together like this. See how our holes matched up like that? And we're going to put our brad through. Oops, where's my other brad? Oh, there we are. Okay. I'm going to put our other brad through there, like that. I'll flip it around the other way. We're going to put our other handle part through. Can we see that? How can I get that so you can see it? Like that. See, and then we're going to open up that brad like we did before. See how that works? Okay, see, and then our handle slides out of the way too. So like I said, so you could decorate it carefully now with your stickers and your things, or you can do it when it's still flat. That's up to you, okay? And then we're going to take our little cup that we have all of our, I'm going to put this back here so you can see. We have all of our little flowers and stuff in. And we're going to take our tissue paper. And see, this is the part where the actual arranging of the flowers will come into play. So you're going to kind of smush all the tissue paper up around it, kind of like that. And that will stiffen up those pipe cleaners a little bit, won't it? So then you're going to, like, you can pull things up a little bit more and put them out and bend the pipe cleaners a little bit so that it looks kind of cute like that, huh? And then you just drop it in your basket. Like that. Tuck it all in under the handle. Pull your handle up. And away you go. And there's your flower basket. So like I said, it looks a lot prettier after you do some decorating with stickers and crayons and stuff. So be sure to do that part, kids, okay? And then you'll have something cute to be on display for the month of the big flower month, May. I hope you had fun putting together our flower basket kit. There was so much room for creativity and to make it your own. We'll see you in the library this summer. We've got lots of great things going on. Check us out, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.